What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia, about a half hour north of Atlanta, a Denago Club Car and Star authorized dealer. We're doing some seat cover updates to this Denago Rover XL, and most of it's pretty straightforward, self-explanatory, whatnot. You know, it's not that difficult. It's just time consuming to do it right because it's got staples all the way around the perimeter underneath, all the way around, so you got to remove all those. And then I highly recommend you use an electric staple gun, because if you try to use a manual staple gun, you will probably kill your hand because there are so many staples all the way around it. Anyway, the only slightly tricky part is how it's velcroed. See, here's the existing seat cover. Notice it's got these ribs that go underneath, all across everywhere. Underneath them, they are velcroed to the seat foam. See this black strip? That is velcro that is adhesive to the seat foam. So be careful when you're removing the existing cover. Just be careful, otherwise you will accidentally remove the black velcro. And I mean, it's not that big a deal. You can use any kind of spray adhesive like a 3M77 or something like that to put it back in place down there. But to avoid that frustration, just be careful, you know, as you're removing it. Just slowly work your way across. Okay. But see these white strips here? This is the other side of the Velcro that needs to stay on to the bottom of the seat itself, seat cover. So just be careful. I mean, it's not the end of the world if you can't avoid tearing them off of there, but the new one will also Velcro to these black strips. So it helps keep the seat cover from shifting at all once you get it in place. I mean, you're going to have to staple it. Like, this is the seat back. Notice the seat back right there. It's not that difficult to remove. It's just a bunch of bolts basically all the way across. You'll see some Allen shaped bolts that you remove. And then when you staple the replacement, it needs to go all the way. See, there's the old staple holes all the way across the bottom area right there. And just do it, you know, just take your time. You know, I like to start from one side, do some stapling, then go down to the other end, do some stapling, then come to the back side, staple. You know, just work your way in opposite directions all the way around it. And that'll keep it from being not, you know, off-centered. It'll keep it balanced basically to do it that way. But yeah, these are the updated Denago seat covers. They have various colors. Most of your Denago dealers can get them. Installation does take quite a bit of time, so you're talking a few hours to do it, depending on how many seats your cart has. And yeah, I think they look quite good actually. So yeah, just contact your Denago dealer about upgrading your seat covers, and I'm sure they'll do it for you for, you know, for a fee. But I think they look quite nice compared to the stock one. So that's it. Yeah, we're in Woodstock, Georgia, a half hour north of Atlanta. Come see us if you're looking to buy a Denago, a Star, or a club car. We also do financing. We take consignments. We also take good trade-ins. So yeah, give us a shout. I'll put the contact information and social media links in the description. And y'all have a great day. We shall see y'all later.